Hola a todos, ¿cómo están el día de hoy? Espero que se encuentren muy bien. Yo feliz de estar con ustedes. Today we're going to talk about verbo ir, to go in English. Are you ready? Let's see. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the conjugation in present of verbo ir, and then we're going to go to the explanation of the different uses of verbo ir. So first we're going to start with yo voy, tú vas, usted va, él o ella va. Now let's go to the plural. Nosotros o nosotras vamos. Vosotros o vosotras vais. Ustedes van. Ellos o ellas van. Now, this is the conjugation and present tense of ir. Now, as you can see, it's an irregular verb. It does not follow any of the rules of the verbs ending in ir, like escribir, vivir. Okay? So this is the conjugation. Now, let's go to the uses of verbo ir. The first one is actually very important. Is we're gonna use to express the future. Okay, to express the near future. Actually, some students, they get so hooked on this tense periphrases of verbo ir, then later on, even if they learn the future tense, they still using this one. And it's really important actually. So it's basically ir a plus infinitive. When you want to express what you're going to do, what you're going to do today, what you're going to do in a near future, or in general. Okay? Ejemplo, voy a trabajar, voy a cocinar, voy a correr por el parque, okay? So I'm telling you what I'm gonna do, okay? Obviously, in this case, I just try to mention it like ir, a, and infinitive, but if I want to tell you as a plan, okay, voy a trabajar este fin de semana, voy a ir al gimnasio por la noche. Well, no es verdad, pero es an example, okay? Also, it can be used when you want to express something that you're gonna use, do like this summer, this year, okay? Por ejemplo, it goes well with words like este o esta. Voy a ir a París este verano, okay? Voy a ir a Escocia de vacaciones este año. Okay, so when you want to express what you're gonna do, like this year, you know, this summer, this winter, este año, este invierno, you can also use this tense because you're saying what you're gonna do is still in the future, it's still a plan on the future, but it goes well with words like este o esta. And of course, for tense that are in your near future, like what you're gonna do today. Okay, so that's the first use of verbo ir. Now, the second one is gonna be verbo ir plus de, preposition de. Now, this one, it could be kind of similar in a way, then you can to express plans and ideas, okay? But not really, not necessarily like in a way that it's gonna happen like in the first case, and you're actually telling what you're gonna do. In this case, it's more like a plan, like an idea. El viernes me voy de copas, o voy de compras, voy de viaje, okay? Voy de fiesta, okay? So in that context, you can use ir, preposition de, and then the activity, the plan that you're gonna do, the idea that that you want to do, okay? Another one is when it's verbo ir plus preposition en, and in this case is when you use it as a medium of transport, okay? Voy en bicicleta, voy en autobús, voy en tren, voy en carro o coche, o voy en moto. So you say it like verbo ir, preposition de, and then the medium of transport. ¿Cómo vas a tu trabajo, María? Yo voy en tren. Okay? So that's another use of verbo ir with preposition de. Now, the next one preposition en, sorry. So the next one is verbo ir and preposition a. And in this case, it's like to where are you going? It's like a place, Okay, so preposition, verbo ir, preposition a, and then you say the place that you're gonna go. Okay, as a destiny, like the destination. So, voy a la playa, voy al cine, voy a Londres, voy a París. Okay, so you say it, ir a, and then the place that you're gonna go. Okay, so that is another use of verbo ir. Now, the last two ones that I'm gonna mention it. Actually, it's about por and para, but hold on. Por and para are actually a topic that it deserves a video on its own, as is a big topic in learning Spanish when we learn the language. So it's few videos actually on the channel when we talk about the differences between por and para. However, on this video I'm gonna mention it, but with verbo ir, when we use verbo ir and the preposition por, and we use verbo ir with the preposition para. So let's start first with para, ir and para. In this case, we use it as a purpose, okay? So voy para estudiar, okay? Voy a Londres para estudiar. Voy al centro para trabajar. Voy para, and then the purpose of why you doing something, why you going, what are you going to this place? What is the purpose that you're going to this place? ¿Para qué? Okay, for what? The purpose. That is one. Okay, again, it's a full video about por and para. This is just related to verbo ir. And the other one is with a preposition por. So, ir plus por, and then we're gonna use for two main things. One can be used as a través de, like going through somewhere to something, okay? Voy por el parque para llegar más temprano, okay? Another one is when you want to express, also it can be used as a medium of transport, but in a different way. Okay, not like that case, then I say like voy en tren. I can say voy por tierra, por mar, por aire. Okay, so that can be another use of por and ir. Another one, important one, is when we use it with time. Okay, when we want to say specific times during the day, we can say voy a trabajar por la mañana, voy por la tarde, voy por la noche. Okay, so when you want to express the different, and you want to tell the different times of the day that you're gonna do something, that you are going to do something. Voy por la mañana, voy por la tarde, voy por la noche. Okay, I don't know if you knew about these uses of verbo ir. Okay, I don't know if you knew about verbo ir in general. Okay, I hope that this was really useful for you. I would love to know your comments, your ideas for more videos, more grammar videos. Maybe you are a bit tired of grammar. We've been doing grammar, I think, for too long lately. But yeah, I really would love your feedback and what you think about these videos, about the channel, about the page. If you like the video, help us with a like, sharing the video, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. I hope to see you again in our next videos. Ciao, ciao.